Every world in the solar system has been shaped by time. Mars lost its atmosphere. Venus cooked itself alive. Earth has been rebuilt so many times by plate tectonics, oceans, and life that almost nothing remains of its original surface. Even the Moon has been reshaped by billions of years of impacts. But one world has sat unchanged, untouched, exactly as it was 4 billion years ago. The most heavily cratered object in the solar system. A perfect record of the violence of the early solar system preserved in ice and rock for 4 billion years. We call it Callisto, and it is the oldest unchanged surface anywhere we have ever looked. Callisto is large, nearly the size of Mercury, 4,820 kilometers across. Large enough that by rights it should have some geological activity, some volcanism, some tectonics, some process reshaping its surface over billions of years. But Callisto has none. It is geologically dead, completely, utterly. And the reason is its distance from Jupiter. Unlike Io, Europa, and Ganymede, the 3 inner Galilean moons, Callisto orbits far enough from Jupiter that the tidal forces are weak. It is not being kneaded and squeezed like its neighbors. Its interior is not being heated by gravitational friction. It formed, it cooled, and it stopped 4 billion years ago. And nothing has changed since. While everything around it evolved, Callisto just waited. The surface of Callisto is the oldest surface we have ever directly observed. Every crater visible today was made during the late heavy bombardment, the period roughly 4 billion years ago when the inner solar system was being pelted by asteroids and comets in a cataclysm that reshaped every world. On Earth, every trace of that era is gone. Plate tectonics erased it. Life covered it. Oceans dissolved it. On Mars, later impacts covered most of the original scarring. On the Moon, volcanic eruptions filled the ancient basins. But on Callisto, every impact from that era is still there, preserved, exactly as it was made. A photograph of the most violent period in our solar system's history, frozen in ice and waiting for us to read it. 4 billion years old and still pristine. Callisto's largest impact structure is called Valhalla, a multi-ring basin roughly 3,800 kilometers across. An impact so massive that the shockwave traveled around the entire Moon, creating concentric rings of ridges spreading outward from the impact point like ripples in a frozen pond. Those rings are still there, still perfectly preserved. The ripples of an impact that happened 4 billion years ago, frozen in the moment of their creation. Callisto did not heal. It does not have the internal energy to heal. It simply remembers. Everything that has ever happened to it is written on its surface, in craters and rings that will still be there when our sun dies. The most faithful record keeper in the solar system. Silent, patient, unchanged. But Callisto has a secret. Despite its dead surface, despite its geological silence, something may be happening beneath it. The Galileo spacecraft detected a magnetic signature from Callisto that suggests the presence of a conducting layer beneath the ice. The most likely explanation, the same explanation that works for Europa, is a subsurface ocean. Liquid water, hidden beneath 200 kilometers of ice. on a world with no internal heat source strong enough to explain it. We do not know how it stays liquid. We do not know if it is real. We only know that the magnetic data points to something down there, a dead world with a possibly living interior. The most ancient surface in the solar system hiding something we cannot fully explain. Callisto is also the safest place in the Jupiter system for humans. Far enough from Jupiter that the radiation is survivable with appropriate shielding. Close enough to be useful as a staging point for exploration of the inner moons. NASA has considered it as a base of operations for future crewed missions to the Jupiter system. A dead moon, geologically silent, unchanged for 4 billion years. And yet, the only place near Jupiter where humans could survive long enough to do meaningful science. The most ancient world we have ever seen may be the doorstep to everything we want to explore. We have never landed on Callisto. We have never sent a dedicated mission to orbit it. The Galileo spacecraft flew past it multiple times between 1996 and 2001 and gave us most of what we know. Everything since has come from telescopes and the data Galileo left behind. A world nearly the size of Mercury, covered in 4 billion years of preserved history, possibly hiding an ocean beneath 200 kilometers of ice. And we have never once landed on it. We looked at it from orbit. We read its magnetic field. We counted its craters. And we moved on. The oldest, unchanged world in the solar system is still waiting for someone to come close enough to read what it has been keeping for 4 billion years. Patient, silent, exactly as it was when the solar system was young, exactly as it will be when the solar system is gone.